Hi, third grade. All right, so we are going to show you what you are expected to do of the week of March 30th. So you have assignments that are going to be posted March 30th. That will be due that Friday, which is April 3rd. So everything this week is going to be online. So you are going to find all of your assignments, you're going to go to your Google Classroom for math. All right, it should be up at the top. For my friends, I posted elapsed time assignments for the week of March 30th. So it will look like this on your Google Classroom. So here are your directions here. Everything that we're going to be doing this week, we're going to be studying elapsed time. I know we did elapsed time during boot camp or GMAS Study Jam, but we just want to make sure that you truly understand how to find elapsed time, how much time has passed. Now, everything this week is going to be on Google Slides. You all are familiar with PowerPoint, slides. You've done one of the two sometime in your school career. So you will find in your assignments, in your classwork, right here where it says elapsed time slides, you're going to click on this and you're going to put all of your work on this Google Slides. So here's how it works. The first slide is what is elapsed time? How do I find elapsed time? And then if you remember, we showed you different methods, different strategies to help you find how much time has passed. There is a T-chart, and then there is a mountains, hills, and rocks method. So if you need a refresher or if you need some help, we posted, Ms. Gillum and I made videos for you guys to help you use these methods. So I did T-charts. So in this slide, you will click play, and I will talk you through how to find the end time when given start time and elapsed time. The next slide will show you how to find elapsed time, how much time has passed when a start time and an end time is given to you. And on this slide, you're going to, or I'll show you how to find the start time when end time and elapsed time is given to you. So you have 3 videos that will help you. Using a T-chart where I will help you. Here is an anchor chart given to you for you to use if you would like extra help with that. And then Ms. Gillum is going to show you in her videos how to use the mountains, hills, and rock method. So you have 3 videos with her as well. The first video shows you how to find the end time using the mountains, hills, and rocks. The second video shows you how to find how much time has passed with given start time and end time. And then the last slide is a video of her showing you how to find the start time when the elapsed time and the end time is given to you. So we hope that those videos help you. And then here are your assignments. So every single day you're going to come to these Google Slides and you're going to do your work. Okay, so on Friday you have a quiz to complete. So you'll only be working on here Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Sorry, John is my helper today. All right, so on Monday, you're going to be completing slides 15 through 20. So every slide, there is a day which has your the assignment with the day. So Monday, number 1, you're going to use just the T-chart method to solve the following problem on the right. So Ms. Gillum has made a chart for you to use for the T-chart. However, if you don't want to use the Google Slides, we are cool with you using a sheet of scratch paper if you would like to, whatever works for you. Just make sure that you are getting your answer typed in on the screen because this is how we are going to be checking your work. All right, so Monday number 2, Monday problem 3, and then that's it, okay? All right, then on Tuesday, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to come back to Google Slides, which you will find in your Google Classroom. It saves automatically too, so don't worry about that. So Tuesday, you're going to complete slides 22 through 24. So you are going to be using the mountain, hills, and rocks method. Remember, you can go back to the videos to help you if you need. Parents, I know this is brand new material for you too, so please refer back to those videos if you need help with that. Now, our standard just uses these strategies to help us find the elapsed time. So whichever strategy you find works best for you or your child, you can stick with that strategy. We just wanted to show you the options. But we would like for you to try and get some practice in with the mountains, hills, and rocks method on Tuesday. So here's Tuesday problem 1, Tuesday problem 2, and you're going to type your answers in the boxes given to you. You can click the text box, erase our typing, and type yours in. Tuesday problem 3. All right, then you're to Wednesday. Now, Wednesday, we're switching it up just a little bit, and we have uploaded elapsed time task cards to this Google Slides. So on a sheet of scratch paper, you're going to need to use a method, T-chart, or the mountains and hills to find the elapsed time. So here is all of Wednesdays. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 task cards on Wednesday. Thursday, Miss Gillum and I are going to meet with you. My friends, you're going to meet with me. Miss Gillum's friends, you're going to meet with her. We are going to meet with you guys at noon. So check into Google Classroom as well as Class Dojo, and we will give more information, and we will push out the link for you to click to meet with us at noon on Thursday. We're going to work through some problems together, and then we're also going to play Kahoot. We know how much you love Kahoot, so we all can play Kahoot at home together. So Thursday will be a fun day for us. If you cannot meet with us on Thursday, we understand that everybody's working on different schedules. You may not have a computer at noon. We understand, it's fine, but we will need you to complete the remaining 10 task cards that are on this slide. All right, now, up at this button right here where it says share, you can share it back to Miss Gillum and myself by typing our email address in. I will post that onto Class Dojo as well and Google Classroom. It's just our first names dot last names at dcssga.org. Again, I will post that for you so that you have it. Alrighty, I believe, oh, and then last thing, let me hit done. All right, so on Friday, you see there where there is a Google Forms. This is going to be your quick check. So on Friday, you know, you were used to taking quizzes in my class as well as in Miss Gillum's class. You're going to click this form here. This is Google Forms. There are, I believe, let's see, 4 problems. 1, 2, 3. Yes, 4 problems. So you're going to type your name here. Please, 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 please put in your first and your last name so that we know it is you. You are going to answer the problems to find how much time has passed. You're going to click the button on whichever one is correct. And then you are going to hit submit, and it will send it straight to your teacher. So this will be your grade for the week. We will also be looking at that Google Slide. So please make sure that you have all of this turned into us, the Google Slides, as well as this on Friday, April 3rd. All right, I hope this helps, friends. If you have any questions, know that Miss Gillum and myself are available to you. So please contact your teacher if you need any help with anything. And we look forward to doing this next week with you. All right, y'all have a great day.